students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your holidays at home. My name is Amna Naz and I'm the teacher of pre-prep. Today I'm here to teach you maths. And you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn the concept of big and small. Big and small. What is the meaning of big and small? Okay, let's do the action with me. When you say big, you should wide your arms like this. Big, big and small. Small. Big का मतलब होता है बड़ा और small का मतलब होता है छोटा. Do the action with me. Big, small. Big, small. Okay, let me show you an example of big and small. As you can see, students, I have two baskets. This one is big and this one is small. You can see the visible difference between two of them. इन दोनों में आप visible difference देख सकते हैं. ये है big, ये बड़ी है, and this is small, ये छोटी है. Big का मतलब होता है बड़ा और small का मतलब होता है छोटा. Big, small, big, small. Do it with me. Big, small. Big, small. Let me show you one more example. As you can see, I have two things. One is big and other one is small. Big and small. Big and small. Now I will tell you the concept of big and small with our books. So open your book. We will read the concept of big and small. Okay, my little friends. This is your book of maths. Open this one book. Open page number 1. Open page number 1. There is the concept of big and small. Big and small. As you can see, we have two pictures in this page. One is big and other one is small. Big, small. Big lion and small cat. Big lion, small cat. Big कहते हैं बड़े को. अभी हमारे पास इन दोनों पिक्चर्स में से बड़ी कौन सी पिक्चर है? Lion. Lion. जो lion है वो बड़ा है. Small, small का मतलब होता है छोटा. और अभी हमारे पास छोटी पिक्चर कौन सी है? Cat की. Cat क्या है? छोटी है. Lion बड़ा है और cat छोटी है. Big, small. Big, small. Okay? I hope you got the concept. Now we are going to do the activity of big and small. Let's move towards our activity. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to do a very interesting activity regarding the concept of big and small. Big and small. Let's move towards our activity and we will do it. Okay? Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to do the activity of big and small. Okay? What you have to do? You have to draw a line to put the big oranges in the big basket and the small oranges in the small baskets. As you can see, we have two baskets, big and small. Big and small. What you have to do? आपने क्या करना है? जो big oranges है उसको हमने lines के मदद से उसको हम big basket में डालेंगे और small oranges को हम small basket में put कर देंगे. Okay? Let's do the activity with me. As you can see, ये big orange है. So, we will draw the line in the big basket. इसको हम big basket में इस तरह line draw करके यहाँ पे इसको match कर देंगे. And this one is big or small? Yes, this is small. So, we will draw the line in the small basket. इसको हम small basket में करेंगे. Again, ये बिग ऑरेंज है, इसको हम बिग में करेंगे, बिग बास्केट में. बिग का मतलब क्या होता है? बड़ा, बड़ा. सो ये बास्केट भी बड़ी है और ऑरेंजेस भी बड़े हैं. सो इसको हम कहाँ पुट करेंगे? बिग बास्केट में. इसको हम लाइंस के थ्रू कहाँ पुट करेंगे? बिग बास्केट में. एंड नाउ अदर वन इज स्मॉल बास्केट. स्मॉल बास्केट. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल ड्रॉ अ लाइन in the small basket. Small oranges को हम line के through small basket में put कर देंगे, just like this, and this is how you will complete it. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to make it more beautiful, अगर आपने अपनी एक्टिविटी को more beautiful और attractive बनाना है, you can color these oranges. It's totally up to you. Instructions में coloring mention नहीं है, but you can make it more beautiful अगर आप इसको color भी कर देंगे. As I have told you in our previous lectures, when you start the coloring, first of all you have to make the boundary line just like this. Make a boundary line. If you do the coloring, your pencil grip जो है वो बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी, and you will do it. Yes, you will do it correctly like this. Okay, just draw the line and then make a strokes like this. As I have tell you, जो strokes है हमने एक ही direction में रखते हैं. Yes, like this. And before coloring or starting the writing, make sure your pencil or color lead should be sharp. और बहुत आपने इसको फोर्सफुली नहीं करना होता है, आराम आराम से आहिस्ता आहिस्ता स्लोली आपने इसको कलरिंग करनी है. ओके, just like this. This is how you will complete the coloring, and in the leaf you will do the green color. Yes, first of all make a boundary line and then fill the color. Okay, this is how you will complete the coloring. Okay students, I hope you got the concept of big and small, and you have to do it at your home. Take care and enjoy your holidays.